Bradley. Me. Amy. Okay.
What Beyblade are you using? Now.
I'm using Flame Bike Sis. Which bit you use?
I'm using Storm Pegasus. It's the wrong face vote though.
3,
2,
1.
Let it rip!
Really long.
Alright.
Now we're into
Storm
battle.
Pegasus! Stormbringer!
Actually, it's a balance type versus an attack type.
Alright. Mine's gonna lose.
You can see. But actually, I'm getting kind of weak.
Yes.
Okay, I'm just circling you.
Wants to do something crazy. Ah, I'm standing up. Aw, you knocked me over. Boo.
Did you know you were even standing up when I hit you?
Yeah. I want a rematch.
Okay. 3,
2,
1.
Let it rip.
Oh, my attack didn't work.
Yay, I won.
Just because of my attack, it didn't work. Duh.
Haha. Hey.
3, 2.
Yeah. Now.
I'm using Flame Bike Sis. Oh!
Oh, too close. Really? I'm using Storm Pegasus. Wrong face bolt anyway. That's a blooper. I'll just go like this, alright? Because that looks really cool. I'm gonna see what that looks like.
Oh.
Ah, darn. Let it. Whoa! Blooper! Let it rip! No, that's a blooper! Oh, it's upside down! It's upside down! I want a rematch! Why are you ripping?
Oh, I have no idea. I was just doing it for fun. Bradley. 1-0. Amy. What?
Get back here! It doesn't work! That's an exclamation mark!
Oh. Well, get back!
What do you do? Get back!